In this video, I'm gonna share with you some powerful lessons I've learned from this banana tree here. I got this banana tree as a gift several years ago. I'm gonna share with you some of the things that I do to keep this banana tree alive through the winter and growing to become a big banana tree like you see here in the video that I'm showing from a previous year. We are in the beginning of spring and the banana tree, as you can see, is beginning to grow. Well, what happens is when it's about November, before the first freeze, I have to chop the banana tree off. I have to cut the whole banana tree because in the winter the banana tree would die. And what I do is in November I cut the banana tree, I cover it with the leaves of the banana tree and with plastic and cardboard boxes, put rocks on top of it. And the banana tree stays dormant during the winter season. And then when it's spring, when I know there won't be any more freezing temperatures, I come here, I take off all the things that I used to cover the banana tree, and here it is, the banana tree is growing again. Lessons that I've learned from this banana tree. Lesson 1, it's more blessed to give than to receive. As you can see, there are so many banana trees here growing, and what I'm about to do now, you can see here, I'm ready to go. I'm gonna be separating several of these baby banana trees to give them away as gifts to friends and neighbors. Every year I do that, and guess what? They are so happy to receive a banana tree. We got this banana tree several years ago as a gift, and every spring season we get the new baby banana trees and we give them away as gifts, and we bless people and we are blessed. A second lesson that I learned is what I call a principle of multiplication. As you can see here, there are multiple baby banana trees. And when we received this banana tree as a gift, it was just one single banana tree on a pot like this. And every season, we see multiple banana trees multiplying. And what we do, as I said earlier, we give them to friends. So I'm about to get these banana trees out to separate them. But this multiplication is like life. Sometimes you look around and you will see how many things have multiplied in your life. Maybe it's work, maybe it's your family, maybe it's the opportunities that you have had. So look around and appreciate the things that are growing and multiplying in your life. The third lesson that I learned is about the seasons of life. Yes, we know about the seasons. We know about winter, and then spring, summer, and fall, and how this banana tree, as I mentioned, in the winter is underground because the banana tree is not growing, it's dormant, like the plants here in this part of the country. But the amazing thing is when spring comes, we know the trees are blooming, we know the flowers are coming back, and the plants, including the banana tree. But it's interesting that when the banana tree is dormant, people may come here to visit me and they don't see the banana tree, they don't know there is a banana tree, but the banana tree is alive and well underground. So what is important for us is to think about our lives, and you think about your life. There may be times when you look around in your life, it's like a dormant season. There's not much happening. And you think there's nothing going on. But guess what? In the right time, the fruit will come. So in the dormant season, you continue to pray, continue to read your Bible, continue to worship God, continue to seek Him, seek God first, and then in God's season, in His time, He's gonna give you the growth, and in various areas of your life, maybe in your marriage life, in your professional life, in your personal life, you're gonna grow and you're gonna be strong, and you're gonna have a lot of fruit to give to people. Watch the videos you see here on the screen to continue to grow in your life. If you liked this video, click the like button, share it with your friends, be sure to subscribe.